Watch closely. You're witnessing automated padding in action on a tabletop by the Bracket PadMaster 2000. 1, 2, 2.5 seconds. The pad is done, ready to deliver to a waiting customer. Let's do it again. This time it's a pad strip. 2 images side by side. Now production doubles, totaling nearly 1,500 pads in an hour. That's 24 pads every minute. Once again, the pads are finished. The sheets bonded together by a clear, flexible film of hot melt adhesive. Just as easily, you can make a jumbo pad, up to 3 inches thick and 17 inches long. A handy feature when you want to pad a thick stack of computer printouts. True to its name, the PadMaster 2000 has been designed specifically for automated professional padding. There has been no compromise in performance in an attempt to claim other binding capabilities. You can, of course, do your padding by hand, brushing on messy cement, then waiting for the pads to dry before hand slicing and trimming. But today, you can't really afford to make pads by hand when you can do them 2 to 3 times faster and more economically on the PadMaster 2000. You can learn to operate the PadMaster 2000 in just a few minutes. You stack loose sheets on the work table, insert a pad to be, and push a button. From there, the PadMaster 2000 takes over. Self-adjusting jaws grip the sheets prior to receiving an application of hot melt glue and a cooling touch of water for quick curing. Immediately, a finished pad is delivered, and the carriage returns automatically to home base, ready to accept another stack of sheets. In today's world, pads are so common you may take them for granted. But look around. You see message pads, notepads, expense pads, fax pads, and list pads. Just about anything you can print or copy, you can pad. And yes, you can even pad blank sheets. As for instant pads, the PadMaster 2000 gives you an opportunity to satisfy this new and fast-growing market. Instant pads create instant profits, and these profits are big time by anyone's standards. No matter how you figure it, material and labor costs usually total less than a nickel for a tablet-sized pad. But each pad brings in an extra 15 to 50 cents at retail, depending on the quantity. Obviously, very quickly, PadMaster 2000 will become the most prolific profit center in your shop. Or if you're an in-plant manager, your PadMaster 2000 will bring instant praise from appreciative company clients. So what more can you say about the PadMaster 2000? Well, it runs whisper quiet, warms up fast, and needs no venting. A variable controller with lighted display lets you set the exact temperature for optimum adhesive performance. Convenient options include a foot switch and a pad catcher. It's really no contest. PadMaster 2000 is the tabletop champion, and that's about all you need to know. But you can ask a user, or you can simply judge for yourself by contacting your authorized Bracket dealer.